Rene here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and stop and hit that subscribe button, okay? This is a place where I do my hair, a little bit of beauty, and sometimes throw in a little bit of lifestyle extras, okay? And I want you to be a part of the family so you can go along on these journeys with me. And if you are already subscribed, i.e. already a part of the family, you already know the type of journeys we be going on. And today, we're gonna be doing an unboxing, okay? My CAUSEBOX has arrived, yes. I put a poll out on Instagram and asked you guys if you wanna see an unboxing. I got an overwhelming response of yes, and so here we are. If you want to see what's inside my box, stay tuned. First things first, this is what I forgot to mention, okay? Let me close this right quick. Look who is on the box, first of all. Do you see these ladies on the box? Do you see these ladies on the box, okay? Okay, all right, CAUSEBOX, I see you. So, as you guys know, I'm an annual member. Like, I pay for this out of my own pockets, okay? So I get the choice of what I want in the box, and they give you selections, okay? I had the choice between a gold kettle, like a gold tea kettle, and a nice cozy sweater. I chose the nice cozy sweater. Let me get it out the box so y'all can see it. Some of y'all don't know about me. I'm always cold. Like, it doesn't matter how hot it is outside, whatever's going on. 9 times out, I'm probably a little bit chilly, and I'm not anemic. But I don't know. My hands and feet always on brick. So basically, this sweater is made with 100% recycled polyester. Like, all of it is recycled. Like, the cute, my sweater? Am I giving you life in this sweater? I am. And it is so soft. Like, I really wish you could feel it. Like, if you are like a fan of soft things, this is definitely something, you know, something to be on the lookout for, okay? Thread & Co. That's the name of it. The next choice I got in my box, I had the choice between some reusable silicone bags or some silicone baking sheets. So let's see what I got. Ta-da! I bake a lot and I use a horrendous amount of aluminum foil, so I figured these would serve me better. So in the box, it came with two reusable baking mats, and I think this is so awesome. And I actually don't have any, so thank you, CAUSEBOX, for, you know, setting me up for something I actually needed, okay? And here's the baking sheet so you can see it full on view. You know, obviously it's silicone, so it has some stretch to it. When you're washing it, you can really get it all together and really get it clean and don't have to worry about it. It seems pretty durable, so I'm excited to use these. Right, so you know CAUSEBOX, right? They always like to throw in a little extra, a little surprise, okay? Truffle Therapy Face Toner. Doesn't that sound fancy? Well, let's read about it. Gentle and refreshing, this isn't your average toner. Made with extracts like witch hazel, truffle, and rosemary, this toner removes bacteria and cleanses your skin naturally. And it's vegan and cruelty-free, and I can definitely get behind a vegan and cruelty-free product. Okay, now it has witch hazel in it, and as you guys know, me and my skin and witch hazel don't really vibe, but my husband and his skin gets down with witch hazel, so this will be used. Let me open it up, let's see what it smells like. It doesn't have a strong smell, so it may be very, very gentle. I hope so. So the fourth thing I got to choose from, I had 3 things to choose from, okay? You talking about something serious. Okay, so I had to choose between the True Moringa Rejuvenating Body Polish, okay? I love a good body polish. I love a little good body scrub. Or I had to go between some Sanctuary Project Thick Gold Hoops, okay? Some earrings. Love earrings. I mean, come on. How can they put all this stuff in here together, all the good stuff? Or Zeal Living Marble Geo Coasters. Now, what y'all think I went with? Take a wild guess. If you said coasters, you were right. Yes, I decided on the Zeal Living Coasters. I needed some new coasters. These coasters are white marble, made in India. Y'all, look at these coasters. And it comes with 4 coasters. Each of the coasters have cork feet on them, so obviously it won't scratch your table. But these coasters are so nice. And if you can see some of the color in the coaster, these are so nice. I was pretty excited when I saw these. I was like, I need some new coasters. These will make me feel like sophisticated and cool and, you know, a little more worldly. I don't know how a coaster makes me feel like that, but when I saw it, I was like, yes, my wine glass to top this, sophistication. Sophistication. It says a sophisticated, see, they already knew. They knew what was in my head. A sophisticated coaster set that pairs with coffee or cocktail. Okay, Zeal Living connects African artisans with shoppers around the world. I think that is amazing. I think that's amazing. And these coasters were made by a 60% female workforce. I mean, how could you not get these coasters? How could you not? Okay, guys. Ooh, I'm getting a little warm in this sweater here. Let me go ahead and take this off. This sweater is pretty warm. Ooh, and I have a sweater on. I think I made a good choice since I'm always cold. Let's go ahead and throw my sweater back there. Okay. All right, so product number 5, I had the choice between 2 things, okay? So I had the choice between Maggie's Organics Heathered Slouchy Socks or an Attitude Travel Beauty Pillowcase. Okay, as a natural girl, I have plenty of travel pillowcases, plenty of silk satin pillowcases. Being that my feet are chronically cold, I went in and got the Heather Slouchy socks. Let me get these on right now, right? Yeah, and I was like one of those kids on Christmas that had to try on all of their clothes and all of their things. Yeah, I was so annoying. These socks feel super soft. Okay, look at them, guys. These socks, you've probably heard of fair trade, but Maggie's Organics takes it to a whole new level. Okay, Maggie. Now, why organic, they say? Cotton is grown on 3 to 5% of the world's cultivated land and yet uses nearly 10% of the world's pesticides and 25% of the world's insecticides. Now, y'all ready for product number 6? I know y'all ready for product number 6. Okay. So I had the choice between 2 things. I had the choice between an Idelwild Co. yearly planner or a Soon skincare peony foot mask. Now, with this 6th product, I took a chance with this one. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I definitely took a chance with this one here. I decided to go on and get the 2021 agenda, okay? Because I feel like it's some things I need to plan in 2021. I hope it's some things I need to plan in 2021. And when I was looking at the little picture, I was like, I think this is the one I want to try. I think it'll be more useful for me. This planner includes daily calendars, monthly calendars, a year at a glance. It has note pages in here, goal tracking, inspirational quotes, and it has a sticker page. Like, who doesn't like a sticker page, okay? I mean, look at the art. You gotta appreciate like the art details. I think it's so pretty, and the gold embellishments on the corners. And it has like you can write your name like from the desk up. It has all the little tabs for all of the months. I think that is amazing. The month of May is a very important month for me. Okay. If y'all been paying attention, y'all probably know what's coming up. Hopefully y'all been paying attention. Drop it down in the comment section below if you know. If y'all don't get it, I'll just tell y'all in the comment section. But anywho, and here's a nice sticker page they've included. This Winter CAUSEBOX, I was pretty excited about this. I got a lot of great things in this CAUSEBOX. I'm so glad that I have subscribed to it, and I get like all these cool things. It feels like Christmas like every 3 months. Like, oh my God, something special is sent just for me, okay? If you enjoyed this unboxing video, go ahead and like it. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what was your favorite product. If there's anything you want me to go into greater detail about, just leave it down in the comment section below and I will do that for you. Be sure to check my description box because there's a code in there so you can get $10 off your CAUSEBOX. Everybody likes a little discount, so go ahead and check that out, okay? And before you go, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, alright, if you haven't already. And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.